wagging tail. His tail goes all around in circles. Your dog. It's like helicopter. Love that tail. Our black lab half off the so didn't have a tail. Half black lab and half separate. So he had polka dotted feet and black spots. The Australian shepherds are
Yeah. I didn't know they were born without tails, so I thought that was just cropped.
Well, it's cropped because the tails are all deformed, so they crop it as babies.
Okay.
It's kind of cruel, but you know.
They're born deformed?
They're not like then pop out.
Really?
Yeah, they are. Cubs have curly tails. I know, I don't want to change it. I had to trim my hair. That was too cute.
Wow, Zach, you can explain that.
Just don't drop it, Zach. $500. You know anything about video games? Oh, you mean yeah. We tried calling Microsoft because for a while they had the Xbox One off because someone put a virus on it.
Yeah.
And so they cleaned it all up, but people put it on the internet. The internet works, but
I don't know. I mean,
right, it's different.
Zachary, so cute. Look, eyelashes. Sorry,
I know,
Zachary.
I love his lashes. There were little lashes. When he was a baby, they were really long, all the way to his eyebrows.
Really?
So I go, oh my god, look at his lashes. I go, yes, I know.
Like, oh
Yeah, they didn't come from me though. They didn't come from my daughter either. She took this special vitamin and it makes babies grow long lashes.
my. Really?
Hmm?
Wow. I like that Cub still wins, even though Fargo could pull him.
I know.
He still is
It's
a
like,
winner.
I don't care, man. It's my. I'm not letting him have it.
Yeah.
Look how his face expression too. For a little dog, he's pretty tough. He's kind of bigger dog. So the blue healer had a little head but a huge body.
Sounds like Cub could be a car motor. Sounds like Cub can be a car motor. Mom, it sounds like Cub can be a car motor.
Hey, Fargo, come here. Fargo, come here.
Come here, Fargo.
Come here.
I mean, he wants to be a winner.
Do you know where the frisbee is?
I think Cub is winning. I mean, he's not letting go. That's a good thing. He loves this. Cub loves it. He's too busy making the noise. Not getting loud.
Hey, Mom.
He hasn't had a break.
Mom, can you hold this?
Fargo, come here.
Mom, can you hold this?
Come here.
Mm-hmm.
Fargo. Fargo, come here. Come here. Come here. No. Ooh, I'm mad.
Yeah, you show him.
Fargo, come here. Fargo. Hey, Fargo. Come here.
Good boy. Good
I
boy.
wanted him to come to me.
Yeah, that was good.
And now Cub's like, wait a second, you got a treat.
Yeah, he's really out of breath though. He needs a rest.
Fargo.